I'm going to do a try-on. Yes, I'm going to do a try-on as well as Carolina. Let's go, guys. I'm not always large, but I'm going to try. You notice we have different sizes for stuff in the store, like items. So here I go, in I go, and there I go. What do you guys think? What do you guys? It goes down here. It buttons. It goes down. It goes down. It goes down. Feels nice. It's not that warm.
Snoopy.
Snoopy.
And look at the coat.
Oh yes, that's a light one.
Yeah.
It's not as yellow. It's
No,
it's
like a
sort of
mustard.
amber. Yes, yes. Look at that. Oh, they changed the shoes. We're gonna have to look at these shoes. Look at these guys.
Look at the outfit.
Yeah. Still no hair. There is more. Oh, it's a dress, like a tunic. Oh, look at the skirt.
And it's $29.99, you guys, for
Yeah,
it.
it has this drawstring. Let's make it tighter. That's cute. Pillow. I wouldn't do this try on or buy this because it's going to be simple. I'm looking for something else. Talk. The price is $29.99, $34.99 and up. So there's no sales around here, but I'm going to look for the sales for you guys. But you know that there will be sales soon. Always nice. Always nice. It's nice. The neck and that, it's a good look. Of course you want to know the price. $34.99. These nice and comfy. Was that the same top? They could not have put that top in there. This is a longer one. I can't. Look at it. It's not going inside. Oh, it's a satin one. This is not satin. Two different type of tops here, guys. Nice. See the tops there, Carl? Show them. For $34.99. Just gorgeous. Yeah.
The price.
Other occasion. Okay, what do you think the price is? What do you think?
$34?
$44.99.
Oh, 44.
Carolina,
Look
that's
at
cozy.
this, you guys.
And I know, 34 or 29?
29 for
Oh,
it.
it is?
$29.99.
That's good. The white. Pretty cozy. Okay. We've come out. Oh, nice pants. And you can wear it with this.
You can exchange or return.
Polka dots.
It's in, it's in. No, that's $14.99. The pants was outside. I think we showed it. $59.99 with sale. It says sale. This, I'm not too sure about that it works $59.99 because it's light, but again it's nice, it's attractive. I'm tempted to try this. I look nice in the color, but it makes me bigger. But sometimes I don't care. You can put a belt with it, but it makes me a bit larger. So here we go. $39.99. No sales right now. There'll be sales soon. This is a nice fitting top. $29.99, almost $30. an executive look, but it's nice. And there we go.
Nice.
I'm nice and cozy.
How's it feel?
What do you think? I know it looks good. Is that nice enough for you guys? It's cozy again. Love it. Try on time.
This dress that I tried on for you guys is a leopard print and it's $34.99 and it fits very well. You can also pair this dress with tights, boots, and a jacket to go with it.
Guys, it's my turn now. But gee, I had some trouble, lots of trouble in the fitting room. I normally don't like to try on clothes. So I was trying it on and then I couldn't get to film it this way and that way, and I had the camera all over the changing room and twisting myself here and there. Anyway, I got through somehow. So I hope you like the try on.